might be here for some time. There's a watermelon stuck in it. Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Well, we've all been having a bit of a heat wave. I don't know when you're watching this, but we've had a heat wave. So we thought, what about a lovely summery drink idea? It's a bit rainy today, annoyingly. We didn't go to plan, but we're still gonna make it. So this is a perfect recipe for a party. I'm gonna make a watermelon cocktail. Oh, my trousers just split. Gonna make a watermelon cocktail. I think Lola went a bit on the large side when she went up to the shop. I want to make it stable because, as you can see, it's a bit wibbly wobbly. So I am going to put it on its side. I'm going to trim a tiny bit of the base off here, just so it stands upright. Up we go. Oh! So first thing we have to do is chop the little top off.
Yeah, for it.
Yeah. Honestly, it's so heavy. So I'm going to use a bread knife and cut off the top. I think I might need a bigger knife. Oh, I wish I had a machete. Just right. Hello, a watermelon. There we go. Look at that. Right, okay, let's spoon it out. Oh, it's actually quite satisfying. I really want to eat it. We might be here for some time. I'll just put my fruit into there. And then I'll do it all at once. So let's just carry on a spooning. Oh, that's the sort of spoon we need for this. Here we go. Phew, that was a lot of watermelon mining, I can tell you. So what I'm going to do is just start processing that. And it's going to make a lovely watermelon-y juice. I think I've probably got about another 20 of these to go, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, look at all of that juicy juice there from the watermelon. We've all wazzed that up. Now we're going to turn this into our drinks receptacle. I've got one of these handy little taps, so we're going to try and pierce this huge watermelon and get this tap in the side. This bit's nice and flat, and that's where the drink's going to come out. I think the tap will be good there, so in we go. That hole hasn't made any difference at all. Oh, look at that little perfect little nubbin of oh, look at that. Look at that. Right, let's go for it. No, I need to make it bigger. Oh yes, there we go. We're in. Okay. So I've got a little wobbly bit. So I'm just going to put that on there. Must be like to be a surgeon, having to go inside people's bodies and like find bits and pieces. Have a look in there if you will, Dan, so you can see what it's like. Well, I think maybe I'm doing it on the wrong way. Let's try it upside down that way.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Is it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty? That's brilliant. I'm nearly there. Oh. I've done it. I'm happy with it. Look at this, look at it. Right, we've done the worst bit. Now it's time to get mixing. I've got my watermelon juice. I've got my vodka. I've got my lime. We're gonna have a bit of lime. I feel like I'm in the party spirit now. Where's my basil? I'm just gonna whiz this basil up with a bit of my watermelon. Roll them on the surface to get nice and juicy. Okay, I'm going in. Bit more of that, lovely. Oh no! Oh, look at that. Basil water, la 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 la. Woo! Party time! So I'm gonna get my sugar out. I should have probably got this in advance, but I didn't, I just got too excited. Now, make it look really pretty. Okay, let's get this out of the way. There's my sugar, got some limes. Now, let's pop his little hat on. Here we go. Get it lined up. Now it's time to make our drink, so I'm gonna grab my glasses over here. Just gonna get a little bit of lime juice on the edge. Dip that in. How to get the big glasses underneath there. Oh. Oh, scared. That's gonna have, must have got a bit of watermelon stuck in its hole. Oh, I've got to go. It's got a big bit of watermelon stuck in. I'm gonna have to suck it out. I can't get it out. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Right. Pop the lid back on. Here we go. One for you, Dan, one for you, Lola. Oh! Look at that. Come on. Oh, it's got another blockage. One for me. And one for me. Little umbrella. Go. There you go. Look at those, all ready for party time with my friend. I'm quite attached to this now. So now I think it's time to have a little sample. Here we go. Cheers to you. Cheers. Oh, never mind. Mine's fine. Oh, it's really good. That's delicious. Oh, look, it's making the sun come out. Cheers everyone, hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.